Your neighbor just bought a new car. Your coworker is renovating their home. Your friend just posted their third vacation this year. So let me ask you something. Why does it feel like everyone else is getting ahead, even when you're working just as hard? Stay with me until the end because most people never learn this about money, and it could completely change how you see your financial life. And before we go deeper, quick question. Do you think people who look rich are actually rich? Comment, real or fake. I read every single one. Now here's what most people don't see. That expensive car? Many times, it's financed. That renovation? Often paid through long-term debt. That vacation? Credit cards make it easy, but interest follows quietly. From the outside, it looks like success. But behind the scenes, it's pressure. And then there's another type of person. You barely notice them. Simple car. Normal lifestyle. Nothing flashy. But their money? It's working quietly in the background. This is called stealth wealth. And it's the difference between looking rich and actually becoming rich. Most people never understand this. Because we live in a world where showing success is easier than building it. And that confusion keeps people stuck. Stay with me, because once you see this pattern, you won't unsee it. Let's break it down. First, looking rich can actually destroy real wealth. Many high earners fall into this trap. They upgrade their lifestyle instead of building assets. Better car. Bigger house. More expensive habits. It feels like progress. But in reality, they're trading future freedom for present image. Because money has two directions. It either goes into assets or liabilities. Assets grow. Liabilities drain. And most people choose wrong, without even realizing it. Second, living below your means is a superpower. Not because it looks good, but because it gives you control. When your expenses are low, you feel less stress. You have more flexibility. And you create space to invest. That's how quiet wealth begins. Third, automation changes everything. Most people rely on discipline. But discipline fades. Systems don't. When you automatically save and invest, you remove the decision. And over time, small amounts turn into something powerful. Stay with me until the end, because the next idea is where most people lose everything. Fourth, comparison is expensive. Social media shows moments, not reality. You're comparing your everyday life to someone else's highlight reel. And that pressure? It leads to bad financial decisions. Spending to impress. Spending to belong. Spending to feel enough. But real wealth doesn't come from comparison. It comes from clarity. Fifth, income is not wealth. This is where most people get it wrong. A person earning less, but saving consistently, can be stronger financially than someone earning more, but spending everything. Because wealth is not what you earn. It's what you keep. And what you grow. Now here's the big shift. Stop asking, how can I look successful? Start asking, how can I become financially free? Because those are two completely different games. One is loud. One is silent. One gets attention. The other builds power. And here's the final truth. Most people don't stay broke because they lack money, they stay broke because they follow the wrong pattern. Earn. Spend. Repeat. But the few who escape? They earn. They keep. They invest. And they stay patient. So next time you feel that pressure, pause. Because what looks like success might actually be stress. And what looks ordinary might be real wealth and progress. If you want more simple, powerful insights like this, subscribe and stay connected. Stay in touch for more information.